Hello everyone, welcome back to ByteBrain LK. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a beautiful card layout using HTML and CSS. This layout is great for showcasing profiles, products, or any other content. So let's dive right in. First, let's set up the HTML structure. Open your favorite code editor and create a new HTML file along with the CSS file. Next, let's switch over the CSS file and start by using the universal selector to set margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. This will remove any default spacing and ensure consistent element sizing across all browsers. Next, in the body tag, we'll set the width and height 100%. Apply the background color BG pink. And choose the font family Poppins and Sans Serif. Now, let's open the HTML file. We'll start with a main div that has the class container to hold all our cards. Now, let's copy the container class from the HTML, switch to the CSS file, and paste it with a dot at the beginning to target it for styling. Next, we'll set the width to 100% and the height to 100 VH. We'll apply display flex to create a flexible layout. Then set align items center to vertically align the content. And justify content center to horizontally center everything. Let's copy the container class from earlier and paste it below, like this. Now, let's switch back to the HTML file and create a new div with the class cards inside the container div. Let's copy the cards div class, switch to the CSS file and paste it to begin adding styles. Now, let's set the width to 100%, the height to 350 px, and use display flex to create a flexible layout. And, let's set flex wrap to allow the items to move to the next line when necessary. We'll also maintain a gap of 20 px between them. Align items to the center and justify content to the center. And we'll keep the position as relative. Finally, let's add a temporary border with 1 px solid red to see the layout clearly. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. Next, let's switch back to the HTML file and create a new div with the class card inside the cards div. Now, let's copy the card div class, switch to the CSS file and paste it here, like this. Now, let's set the styles for the card class. We will add a position to relative. Set the width to 340 pixel, the height to 350 pixel. And give it a border radius of 50 pixel to create rounded corners. Finally, let's add a temporary border of 1 pixel solid red to help us see the layout clearly. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. Now, let's switch back to the HTML file, add an img tag, and insert the first image inside the card div, like this. Let's copy the img tag, switch to the CSS file, and paste it here to start styling. Now, let's set the styles for the image. We'll add width 100%, height 100%, object fit cover, and border radius 50 px. Now, let's remove the border we added earlier to the card. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. And now, let's go to the HTML file and create a new div with the class about, inside the card div. Let's copy the about div class, switch to the CSS file, and paste it here, like this. Now, let's set the styles for the about class. We'll add a width of 340 px, a height of 110 px, and use display flex to create a flexible layout. Next, we'll align the items to the center and set a gap of 20 px between them. We'll position it absolutely at the bottom of the card, with a white background and rounded corners using a border radius of 50 px. Additionally, we'll add padding of 23 px, a suitable box shadow for depth, and overflow hidden to keep the layout clean. Lastly, we'll include a transition for smooth effect. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. In the CSS, let's set the hover effect for the About class by adding the following role. When the user hovers over it, the height will change to 170px. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. Now, let's switch back to the HTML file, create a new div with the class left for the profile picture, and inside it, we'll add an img tag to display the profile image, like this. Let's copy the left div class, switch to the CSS file, and paste it here, like this. Next, let's add the img tag after the left class. We'll specify a width and height of 60 pixels. Use ObjectFit cover to ensure it fills the area nicely. Set border radius to 50% for circular shape. And add a 3-pixel solid border using our primary color. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. Now, let's switch back to the HTML file and create a new div with the class right inside the About div. We'll include an h3 tag for the profile name, a span tag for the time, and a paragraph tag for the description. Now, let's copy is the right div class, switch to the CSS file and paste here, just like this. Now, let's style the right class. We'll set display to flex, and flex direction to column to stack the elements vertically. Then, we'll use justify content center to align the items in the middle. We'll also add a transition of 0.4s with ease out for a smooth effect. Lastly, we'll set transform translate y30px, just like this. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. Now, after the About class, let's add a hover effect by creating hover, like this. Now, let's set transform translate y0 to reset the position and bring the content back to its original place when hovered. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. After the right class, let's add the h3 tag to apply the necessary styling. We'll apply our primary color and set the font size to 1 rem. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. After the right class, let's add the span tag to apply the necessary styling. Let's set the color to text color and the font size to 0.8 rem for the span tag. Now, let's copy the classes above and paste them below, just like this. Now, let's set the styles for the p tag inside the right class. We'll set the color to text color, the font size to 0.85 rem, and align the text to justify. Additionally, we'll add margin top of 10 pixels. And apply a transition effect of 0.4 seconds. With an initial transform of translate y 100 pixels. And an opacity of 0. Now, let's copy all the items above and paste them below, just like this. Now, after the About class, let's add a hover effect. We'll set transform translate y to 0 and opacity 1 to make the paragraph visible and bring it into its final position when the card is hovered over. Now, let's remove the border we added earlier to the cards. Now, let's switch back to the HTML file, copy all the card elements and paste them below, inside the card's div, just like this. And change the images and all the text to match the new content, just like this. Copy all the card elements and duplicate them 2 times below inside the card div, then change the images and all the text to match the new content. Okay, we're all done now. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, or what you share your results, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.